It's me, Layla. As you can see on the box, Layla, you. Okay, so today we're going to be doing, if you're wondering what this is, it's a box.
You're in my room.
You're in my room. And as you can see, this is a box. And if you're wondering what we're going to do with a box, there is a robot inside of this. And then I'm going to be showing you guys and my dad, because my dad doesn't even know how to work this thing right now. So I'm going to be showing you guys and my dad how to work this robot. So I'll show it to you guys first. Take a picture.
Can you take a
Can you
picture,
take a
Dad?
picture, Dad? Okay, that's my robot. So as you can see, I just want to share with you a little bit of things. So this thing right here, this white thing that connects all the wires together, is a breadboard, and it goes like this way across, like that way. Okay, and then the rest of the things are just like how to experiment with it. So I'm gonna show you how to turn it on and stuff.
So you put this together?
Yeah. Box up so I can show you a little thing. So I put my box down. So if you build a robot and you don't know how to work it because you forgot, there's this thing with two things connected together. Then you have this thing. You put this under these ones like that. Grab it and then you put it in. If you have one of these, you have to put it in those two holes right there. And you just go like that. Let me just get it in. Then there's a little, it's like that.
Ooh.
Then if I go like this, this is the thread. So it just goes around in circles. And then, let me show you.
Ooh, there's a spark there. I saw that.
I know. This is the white wire, purple wire, and the brown.
So what?
So we're going to take this off first. So I want to show you how to make it go straight.
So changing the wiring makes it go a different direction.
Yes. Okay. So we're going to first take everything out, including this. So you see that there's all these little things. So these two white.
Your little circuit board, okay.
It's not technically really a circuit board, but we can call it a circuit board. So it'll go right here where the plus is, like that, and then it'll go like this. Put it down like that. But we're gonna do it without this little switch thing. Okay. So first we're gonna plug this in here. So we're gonna plug the battery in, and then this red will go over here where the plus is, and then this red will go right next to the other one, and then the two black ones will go together. Okay, maybe I did that wrong because it's not going up. So I'm gonna do this like that. This. See, that one's going in circles. I gotta need to check this out. And then we gotta do the same thing. Put this one there, and then the red one there. Hopefully it'll do something. Yeah, that makes it go into circles. This is what it would look like without these things and this. It'll just look like a circuit board with a bunch of wires. Well, if we add these wires, it'll be a lot of wires. But if we just have like that, then we can do like that. We can go like this to circle. And then I'm gonna show you something. So
I thought you said you were gonna make it go straight.
yeah. So wait, but first I'm gonna show you something. So there's these like things right there that you can just slide it through, like wrong side, I think. Yeah, there's like those things where you can just slide it down. And in the front, which is this part, you can just go like that. Anyways, I'm gonna show you how to make it go straight. So we need to get the battery. Just unplug everything. So we get the battery and put it in. It's a lot of work. Since I don't have the light bulb, I'm gonna have to go with that one. Okay, so these things over here, like these little things, are the battery. Then I'm not gonna do the lamp, I'm gonna do the motor. So I'm gonna put the battery, and then I'm gonna put the motor in the other motor. That's going, this is the front, this is going forward. Okay, so then you do the same thing. Oh God, I don't like that sound. I'm gonna do the other thing like that.
There you go.
No, that's so good to circle. Because one wheel is going this way and one wheel is going that way.
Oh.
I need to make it for both of them to go the same direction.
Maybe you have to change the opposite of the thing.
Yes, I'm going to do that to try that out.
Yeah, there you go.
So that goes backwards. And if I'm going to try to switch it around.
I'll go the opposite way.
And then I'll go the opposite way. Hopefully it does. So I'm gonna put the red one at the blue side, which is the minus side, and then that one there. Okay, that's going forward and that's going backwards. That means I have to switch that one and that one. Wait, I forgot. I have to switch these two around. Like that.
There you go.
So, it can go like this.
Good. Okay.
So that's how you work one of these robots.
How long did it take you to build this?
It took, well, I'm going to pause this so you can hear me better. Oh, one more thing before I tell you.
How long did it take you, Kyle?
It took me like a couple of weeks.
What? Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so it does come with the ping pong ball to put in. If you just go like that, it'll kind of like drag. But if you put the ping pong ball in, it won't like just like drag on the ground. Okay, so I'm gonna put everything back now. Bye.